pretty much going to see if we can do the cylinder lock, but from what I'm told, it's relatively easy. You gotta screw that out from that, and there should be a couple screws in here. I think so. One there, one there, one there, and then this hole is the detent one right there. So I'm gonna pause it and take this off real quick. Okay, so took those off. Apparently there's another screw right here that we don't really have to get to. I'm just gonna hang it, but that looks like the detent button that you have to push. So I'm gonna turn the key forward, wherever it is, and see if I can push that. So I'm gonna see if I can push that. Turn that to on, and then grab a pick. Grab my little pick right here and see what happens. I'm gonna put you down now. Got the old one out. Popped right out. So then you gotta put the new one in with the key on, technically. Where the detent is. This way, and it should just fit right in. So let's see. Okay. Well, I got the new one in, but they lied. This, where it says, lock cylinder shipped ready for installation into steering column. Do not rotate the key clockwise until the lock cylinder is installed. The problem is, when it's installed or that turned, the detent lever right here, wherever it is, won't go down. So when it's shipped here, it's in the off position and it won't let the detent lever go up. So you have to turn it to the on position so the detent lever can drop. Like so. That's how far it has to go down. But if you turn it, it pops up. And how it comes, it's just like that, in that little groove. So that don't work. You cannot get it without pushing down that thing in there. So you have to turn it to the on position, even though it says you're not supposed to drop it in to this next slot right here so the detent lever can pop down. That was my issue I was fighting. Now that we got it installed, go hook up the negative. Alright, now let's see if she works. Brand new. No slop, no nothing. Key comes right out, no problem. Doesn't spin.